Yeah, very small. I can hardly fit between here, which is pretty crazy.
I think this one is the toilet. Open the door, you can see the toilet. You can see the toilet?
The toilet in the home. There's the toilet, and then the home.
你多少钱租啊？
This is maybe the 7th place we've been to this evening. How much do you pay to live in this space?
2,900.
Do you live here by yourself?
姐夫
Live with the brother-in-law.
What is it like living here?
好差，真係好差。你諗下又有濕啦，廁所又污糟啦。你睇下呢啲天花，你睇到上邊就知啦。
You can see the rooftop and the ceiling is very poor conditions. Hong Kong's rent is too expensive, so I cannot afford to have a better housing. Want to have an individual toilet for our home, not to share with others because it's too dirty. Even my brother-in-law, he not use toilet here. He use public toilet.
Thank you.
唔該晒。
Where's in this building? I think this will be a nicer one.
係咪依間房嘅？嗰個有係實嘅，呢度啊。係啊。啱都撲埋出嚟啦。你而家翻咩工啊？你都唔用我。淨係探房嘅啫。
What's your name?
Peter.
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 What is it like living in one of these pods?
咁問你即係住呢度點樣咯？即係呢啲係咯。
我都
交流
其實都舒服嘅。
He said it's actually comfortable.
It looks comfortable and cozy. How long have you lived in this pod
咁
here?
問你住 more than a year and a half.
And what does it cost to live in one of these pods?
咁問你即係幾多錢啊？住呢啲
2800。
2,800。
How many people live inside of here in this space?
幾多個人住？9.
9. Wow, oh, wow. What do you do for a living?
我做地盤啦。
Construction.
Construction.
Yep.
Amazing.
我認到你個樣。
拜拜。Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. So for the people watching, how could they help?
I think for the people they can help is first they should know about the whole picture of the problem. The public they will think they are lazy, they are kind of discrimination or negative labeling for them. I think they should have a more positive image about it because these people they are very hardworking. Some people they work until 70 years old and then they retire and they still don't have housing, so they have no choice. They don't have money to rent other bigger housing. And the other is they can help to urge the government to improve the housing programs. Even the government now, they say, yes, we want to provide more public housing, but there are many people, they oppose the suggestion because they think they don't want public housing built in their area, not good to live with poor people or something like that. The other is actually they can support NGO, so-called, this kind to support these people. They can donate in kinds or in cash to help these people. There are many ways they can support. Yeah.
Beautiful. I didn't really know what we're walking into this evening, and the situation feels a little bit dire or intense than I thought it would feel.